playing around with snowflakes now, ornaments. Would start with pancake dies and flat parts like this one here. I wanted to make them more interesting by giving them some shape, some dimension, and so rather than just dome them, I decided to make a little form here, which is just welding rod soldered onto a steel plate. And then you put the piece on there and set a little urethane pad on there and press it, and that gives it the dimension, these lines, ribs. So that's a pretty good look. And then I wanted to come up with another one. I thought, well, what can I do that's easy to give it some shape, some different kind of shape? And then I thought of just taking a hexagon in brass and took that over here and just stamped it with lines radiating out from the center, and that gave it this nice ribbed shape. Now this isn't one of the snowflakes, this is going to be a form. What I'm going to do with this, see, it's got flat there so that it can sit flush. So the pieces, well, anyway, that's for the purposes of making the mold. So let's go over here to the mold. I like to use cheap and easy, fast, whatever's lying around. So I just got some steel strip and bent it around, welded it in two places, and then I'm going to screw it to this aluminum plate. And then what I'll do is set that in there and fill it in with plastic steel, or epoxy impregnated with steel powder. So it's going to look like that, and then we'll just throw the snowflakes in there, set the urethane pad on top, and press it, and we'll see what that looks like in our next video presentation. There's the mold all put together and halfway filled up. Well, mostly filled up. I didn't have quite enough. Steel impregnated epoxy. I'll fill that up tomorrow. But that's what the mold